Mark, stop!
What happened?
You almost stepped on Kekemu's toy.
Oh, I thought it was a spider.
Mark, look around.
I am looking.
What do you see?
A table, a sofa, and a very cute dog.
What else?
A few cups?
A few cups? There are 5 cups on the table.
I had a busy morning.
Your shoes are by the door. Your blanket is on the floor. And Kekemu's toys are everywhere.
I think the caravan looks cozy.
Cozy? Mark, the caravan is a mess.
Can't we clean it later?
No, we need to clean it now.
But I haven't finished my coffee.
You have 5 cups, Mark.
They are all important.
First, we clean. Then you can make fresh coffee.
Okay, where do we start?
We start with the floor. Mark, this is for you.
What is it?
It's a broom.
I know what a broom is.
Then why are you holding it upside down?
I'm checking it.
Checking what?
The quality.
The quality is fine. Please sweep the floor.
Sweep the floor?
Yes, move the broom from side to side, like this.
That looks easy.
It is easy.
Okay, I'm sweeping the floor. There is a lot of hair on the floor.
That is probably Kekemu's hair.
Kekemu, is this your hair?
I think he said yes.
He should help us clean.
He can put away his toys later.
Good idea.
Don't forget under the table.
Under the table too?
Yes.
What about under the sofa?
Under the sofa too.
This floor has too many places.
Keep sweeping.
Look, all the dirt is in one place.
Good. Now pick it up.
I thought sweeping was enough.
You can't leave the dirt in the middle of the floor.
Why not?
Because the floor is still dirty.
It is organized dirt.
Mark.
Okay, I'll pick it up.
Does Mark use a broom or a sponge?
I use a broom.
Great.
Listen. I sweep the floor.
I sweep the floor.
Your turn.
Excellent. Now I'm going to clean the shelves.
They look clean to me.
Come here.
Why?
Look at this.
Wow. That is a lot of dust.
Exactly.
Where does all this dust come from?
I don't know.
Maybe the dust lives here.
The dust does not live here.
It looks very comfortable.
Not for long. I'm going to dust the shelves.
What do you use?
I use a dust cloth.
Can I use a towel?
You can, but a dust cloth is better.
What about my shirt?
Do not use your shirt.
I was only asking.
First, I move the books. Then I wipe the shelf. Now the shelf is clean.
It looks much better.
Can you put the books back?
Yes.
Put the large book on the left.
This one?
Yes. Put the small book beside it.
Like this?
Perfect.
I'm good at organizing books.
You moved 2 books.
Everyone has a special skill.
What am I doing? Am I sweeping the floor? No, I'm dusting the shelves.
Say it with Jessica.
I'm dusting the shelves.
Your turn.
Very good.
Are we finished now?
Not yet.
What is next?
The kitchen.
The kitchen?
Yes, look at the sink.
There are so many dishes.
Most of them are your cups.
We already talked about the cups.
And now we need to wash them.
Do I have to wash all the dishes?
Yes,
All of them?
all of them.
Even the small spoon?
Even the small spoon.
This is a difficult day.
You wash the dishes. I will dry them.
Okay. Where is the sponge?
It's beside the sink.
And where is the dish soap?
It's behind the sponge.
First, I put soap on the sponge.
Correct.
Then, I wash the plate.
Good.
After that, I rinse it with clean water.
Exactly.
Wash, rinse, and dry.
That's right.
Here is the first plate.
Thank you. I'm drying the plate with a dish towel.
Here is another plate.
Thank you.
And here is a cup.
Is this cup from today?
Maybe.
Mark,
It could be from yesterday.
wash it twice.
Twice?
Twice.
Yes, boss.
I'm not the boss.
You sound like the boss.
Keep washing.
I like washing dishes with warm water.
Me too.
Cold water is not comfortable.
No, it isn't.
The plate is clean now.
Good. Put it here.
We are a good team.
Yes, you wash and I dry.
And Kekemu watches us work.
He is our manager.
He is a very quiet manager.
Not anymore.
Which sentence is correct? I wash the dishes. I wash the floor.
The correct answer is, I wash the dishes.
Now repeat.
I wash the dishes.
Your turn. Great.
I dry the dishes. I dry the dishes.
Your turn.
The floor is clean. The shelves are clean. And the dishes are clean.
Excellent. Now we can relax.
Not yet.
What is wrong now?
Look at your shoes.
They look fine.
They are in the middle of the caravan.
They are easy to find there.
They are also easy to step on.
That is true.
Please put away your shoes.
Where should I put them?
Put them in the cabinet by the door.
I'm putting away my shoes.
Thank you.
Now they are neat and organized.
Much better.
Is that everything?
Look at your blanket.
What about it?
It is on the floor.
Maybe Kekemu wants to use it.
Kekemu has his own blanket.
He likes my blanket too.
Pick it up, please.
I'm folding the blanket.
Fold it neatly.
This is neat.
One side is longer than the other.
That is my special folding style.
Try again.
You have very high blanket standards.
Thank you.
That was not a compliment.
I know.
Listen. I put away my shoes.
I put away my shoes. Your turn.
One more. I fold the blanket.
I fold the blanket. Your turn. We also need to tidy up the bed.
My bed is fine.
Your pillow is almost on the floor.
It is getting fresh air.
Pillows do not need fresh air.
How do you know?
Please make the bed.
What should I do first?
Put the pillow in the right place.
Like this?
Yes. Now pull up the blanket.
And make it straight?
Exactly.
I'm making the bed.
Very good.
Before, the bed was messy.
Now it is neat.
Messy means things are not organized.
And neat means clean and organized.
The bed is neat now.
Yes, it is.
I think I deserve coffee now.
We have one more job.
One more?
We need to put away Kekemu's toys.
Kekemu can do that.
Can he?
Let's see. Kekemu, bring your toy. Good boy.
Now put it in the basket.
He did it!
Great job, Kekemu.
He is better at cleaning than I am.
You said it, not me.
Can Kekemu make the bed too?
Number?
Can he wash the cups?
Definitely not.
Then I still have some useful skills.
Yes, you can make coffee.
Finally, some respect.
What do we use to sweep the floor? A broom or a sponge?
We use a broom. What do we use to wash the dishes? A sponge or a pillow?
We use a sponge. Where do we put dirty dishes? In the sink or on the bed?
We put them in the sink.
Perfect. Look at the caravan now.
Wow, it looks completely different.
The floor is clean.
The shelves are clean.
The dishes are clean and dry.
My shoes are in the cabinet.
The blanket is folded.
The bed is neat.
And Kekemu's toys are in the basket.
We did a lot of work.
Yes, we did.
I feel tired.
Me too.
But the caravan feels calm now.
A clean space feels good.
And now I can make coffee.
Yes.
Can I use a new cup?
No.
Why not?
Use one of the clean cups.
But I want a different cup.
Mark, we just washed 5 cups.
6 cups would be better.
Mark!
Let's practice the sentences together. I sweep the floor.
I sweep the floor.
Your turn. I dust the shelves.
I dust the shelves.
Your turn. I wash the dishes.
I wash the dishes.
Your turn. I dry the dishes.
I dry the dishes.
Your turn. I put away my shoes.
I put away my shoes.
Your turn. I fold the blanket.
I fold the blanket.
Your turn. I make the bed.
I make the bed.
Your turn. I tidy up the caravan.
I tidy up the caravan.
Your turn.
Now it's your turn to speak. What do you clean at home?
You can say, I wash the dishes.
Or, I sweep the floor.
Or, I make the bed.
Choose one sentence. Say it out loud now. Excellent.
Now answer one more question. Is your room messy or neat today?
You can say, my room is messy.
Or, my room is neat.
Great job practicing with us.
If this helped you, tap like and subscribe.
Write one cleaning sentence in the comments.
I wash the dishes.
I make the bed.
What about you?
See you in the next conversation.
Bye!